The Material World 29. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the sudden death of a child celebrity. It is strange that even though people believe they can die at any moment, yet the vast majority behave as if they will live a long life. Some dedicate their efforts to this material world to such a degree that even if they were guaranteed a long life, they could not exert any more effort for the sake of gaining more from this world. Unfortunately, Muslims delay preparing for the hereafter, believing they can do it in the future. They often keep delaying this preparation until they suddenly encounter death unprepared. This preparation involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It is important for Muslims to understand that no matter how long they live, life goes by in a flash. So they should take every opportunity they have in order to prepare for the eternal hereafter. This does not mean they should abandon the world completely. It means they should prioritize preparing for the hereafter by only taking what they need from the material world in order to fulfill their necessities and responsibilities according to the commands of Allah, the Exalted. This attitude will allow them to enjoy the lawful pleasures of this world and prepare adequately for the next one also. A Muslim only fails preparing for the hereafter correctly because of their pursuit of the excess of this material world, not by striving to fulfill their necessities and responsibilities, as this is a part of preparing for the hereafter. A Muslim should remember the narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7424, which warns that only a person's deeds will accompany them in their grave while their family and wealth abandons them at this crucial moment. Therefore, a Muslim should give priority to the thing which will aid them in their moment of need. Muslims should not delay preparing for the hereafter, otherwise, they may well encounter death suddenly while unprepared, as death does not come at a particular age or time. If they fail to prepare, they will be left with nothing but regrets at a time when regrets will not benefit them. Chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verses 23 to 24.
And brought within view that day is hell, that day man will remember but how, i.e., what good to him will be the remembrance. He will say, "Oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life.